Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ZingHR account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into your ZingHR account, open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.zinghr.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of ZingHR, which looks like this. ZingHR is a cloud-based HR solution providing integrated human resource management and payroll service to enterprises. If you want to log into your account for ZingHR, go to the top right-hand corner and click on the login link. You can go ahead and enter your company code in the text box appearing at the right-hand side of the screen that has been provided to you. Once you type in your company code, go to the next field and type in your employee code number. Now, head over to the password box and type in your password associated with your account. But in case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. Right after you fill in your details, click the login button, and you'll be able to log in and get access to your ZingHR.com account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.